Are you alright?
Welcome, my prince.
Yeah, how are you?
Point of correction. This man here is not a prince. The only prince in this palace is the one talking to you right now. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, my prince.
Very soon, I will throw you out of this palace, back to the slums where you belong, I guess.
Ikenna, I'm not going to have you insult me in front of a guest.
Oh, what? Now you tell me. What are you going to do to me now?
Please do not fight each other. Please.
Ikenna, you know that I have had just about enough of your nonsense in this palace.
You are not part of this palace. You are not my father's son. You have no inheritance here. You should know that.
You're a fool.
You hear that? Well, you are a compound fool. A bigger fool.
We'll see.
Run along. Don't mind that useless man. I'm sorry I had to act that way right in front. Please, sit down. Enjoy your drink.
I want to start going home.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.